Hello, I'm Louis Huard. I'm co-founder and CEO at Boreal Bikes, and I'm here to talk to you about something that has happened in the automotive industry. There's this big paradigm shift that's absolutely changed the way how we see cars. Actually, we don't see cars as a physical or mechanical component, but basically as a computer on four wheels. So that concept is called SDV, or Software Defined Vehicle. And this is the reason why cars have been progressing incredibly fast with innovation, is that you have connectivity, edge computing, you have instead of a display or monitor, you have an infotainment system, you have a drive system, you have sensors that sense the environment, you have OS, and you have especially AI software, so they're based on software, these vehicles. Now, software as SDV is a thing, and they're important because that's what they make the cars self-aware. All these new features that we see, self-healing, thanks to over-the-air connectivity. Also, you have self-driving and assistive features, which makes them easier to use and more enjoyable. But how would this approach benefit sustainable urban mobility? Well, we believe it would probably make these sustainable urban mobility vehicles safer, more inclusive, more accessible, more people would be able to use it, better adapted, so better adapted to different demographics, and also more convenient because they probably fix themselves. But the problem is we don't see that right now. And the reason why is that there is no such architecture in bikes, cargo bikes, or light electric vehicles. We don't see the SDV for micromobility or sustainable urban mobility until now. And that's what we do. We do basically a framework and an architecture so you can have software-defined vehicles in urban mobility so they can benefit from the AI. They have the same type of components that you see in a car. So you have that access to low latency, access to internet, 5G, that access to vehicular networks, V2X, edge computing, which let you perform the AI, an HMI that's adapted to this use case, drive system, sensors that senses the environment, and much important and very important is that AI-enabled software that's bringing really lots of value to these vehicles. So yeah, the architecture in our vehicles, we put this on our research bikes, has been validated. We've sold some, and they're being used by teams. So we have the team here at DLR that was on the digital twin city at Ingolstadt, a project led by Audi. That's a great part. It's also the car industry is doing this. We got TUM, that's also a client of ours. DELF, which we have also incredible academics working on this. And Salzburg Research was very prolific in research papers, did many comprehensive studies. I'd invite you to see their site, where you can see a bit of an example. And of course, the Prime Minister of France is actually a fan of our bike.
Thank you very much. Unfortunately, your time is up.